Hi everyone, in this video I will be testing and reviewing the Etekcity Smart Nutrition Scale, which is not only a simple kitchen scale but can also help you keep track of your nutrition goals. First of all, I found it very easy to set up. Once you insert two AAA batteries, you can then turn it on via the on-off button on the screen. Then you can select the unit of measure you wish to use by pressing unit. You can select from ounces, pounds, grams, or milliliters. If you are just using the scale, you simply place any food item on the scale and the weight will appear on the screen. You can also very easily use the tare function to weigh something in a container. For that, place the container on the scale, then press T. The screen will then show a 0. After that, add the food and the scale will now give you its weight. Using this same function, you can also measure volume. I tested it by using a full measuring cup of water, which is 240 milliliters. As you can see, it is pretty accurate. It was only off by 3 milliliters. One of the problems I did encounter is that it is very hard for it to detect things that are very lightweight, like herbs for example. I tested several small amounts of ingredients including liquids. When I weighed dried herbs like rosemary or oregano, it only detected weights above 3 to 4 grams, which was about a tablespoon and a half. However, for other ingredients like cornstarch, it was able to weigh 1 teaspoon of it. The same for liquids, it was able to detect and weigh 1 teaspoon of water. The smart features of the scale, I found them very easy to use. In order to access them, you do have to download the free VSync app that then connects your scale to your phone via Bluetooth. Once you install the app, you make an account with email and password and verify your email. Once inside the app, you add your first device and click on Scales. There you will find the Etekcity Nutrition Scale. Then it will take you to your phone settings to turn on Bluetooth. At this point, you also have to turn on the scale so that your phone can detect it. Now that the nutrition scale and your phone are synced, your phone will display the weights as well. To access the nutritional information for the food you are weighing, tap on What's on the Scale on your phone. It will then let you search for the food, in this case mangoes, after which you choose from a drop-down menu. If the food you entered is not there, you can always add it yourself using the Add New Food section. It will tell you the nutritional values of the food, and then you can keep track of your meals by adding the food to your meal diary, which has sections for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. This feature I think can be very helpful if you are on a specific diet because it actually lets you keep track of your nutrition goals. And at the end of the day, you can see the facts about your food intake, for example, how much sugar or sodium you took in. Overall, I found the scale very easy to use, including the app. It was very helpful not only for measuring ingredients whilst cooking, but also for keeping track of any nutritional goals you may have. If you would like to check out the Etekcity Nutrition Scale for yourself, I will be leaving the links to the product in the description box.